guys, it's your boy Dog here again. I got a new account because my old account it was not full of stuff. I got a maxed out account. This account, full out top tier. This account right here, top tier. You're talking like hacks, like little red hacks, and account. But maybe if I make another password, I will give you guys one password. So listen closely. I'll give you, so it's lowercase x, capital X, YP, hack for you X. And then the password is star dash star. And space it, give it. That account I didn't really want because it's not as good as this one. But it's pretty good if you just want a cool account. And also guys, literally look, I'm walking backwards. Like, what is this? Can I even move? Bro, I do not know. No! Look at how fast I'm running. Hello. Ah. This is literally a dream. Oh my god, I'm stuck in the water. Also, I think I'm actually stuck. On God, God, I want to say, I'm gonna start clicking people back. see how long it takes this nerd to get here. Bloodhound maybe see how far it is. Bro, this man said he wants a sequel. Fuck. I can't even get it in real life. Fuck me. I'm gonna say, help me out. Boy. Because I really have no idea how to get out of this battle at this point. Okay. Okay. Okay, why am I running through Earth right now? The fuck? I'm literally running through Earth. I'm running through Earth. I'm running through Earth like a track star. I'm running through Earth like a pop star. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, I think so. Mm, I'm here. The map. I'll beat them to the beach, sadly. I'll probably finish this. But that's for the active defense. I think a hacker is supposed to take advantage of his powers and stand kill people, but I'm not that type of person to like to stand kill people. That's the only thing I do not like to do. Stand kill. You don't know how to swim! This well, you ain't getting one, bitch. I need a too short. I just jumped across the map from doing. Uh, yeah, I do not know how to move like this. What does this man do? Cause this is absolutely kind of annoying. Like, I like this account, but at the same time, it's hard for me to run, so that's my only complaint. Defeat 500 enemies. This man should be already done that. This man told me he had done everything. This man hadn't even done all of the achievements. Oh my god. Me. The fuck? This is turned into a roleplay somehow, guys, so yeah. And let's see if our children are. I guess it would be fair. Natural. Me not knowing how to control my powers. Not gonna lie, my real age is 12, but you have to tell her that or else she wouldn't take me. Boy. Also a pro hacker. Also a pro hacker. when I'm capping. I bought this account. Okay, how the fuck do I'm gonna run around the whole map 100 times. Be right back. Ah! Ah! Me running at God mode speed. Ah! Me knowing I'm running in places. I'm gonna die. This man trying to start drama, but okay. Ah! How am I supposed to get back? Oh my god. The fuck am I? I was gonna say, did I get into the impossible part of God? Ah, me accidentally. The craziest idea I've had in my life. This no bitch. The fuck? God, this account is in whack now. Look, every time I try attacking, it literally gets stuck. Ask me, do I give a fuck? Mm-mm. This kid is so crazy. Uh-oh. Ah! I don't know what you expect to do like in real life. So ah! Guys, I'm literally spotting two bosses at once. That's cracked out for my god material. I need to go split account so I can actually run places because it's kind of. I mean, it's fun being able to run across the seconds, but goddamn, active accounts are way too much to handle. Well, hacked accounts are like this. God damn. I've always wanted an account like this, and I bought it, but god damn. Now that I have one, this shit is kind of fun. I'm probably gonna stop playing Dog Simulator and just keep this account. And I'll probably sell it later for like $2 million. And then I'm probably gonna download Wildcraft and find a Wildcraft account. So guys, I'm gonna find a hacked Wildcraft account. I'm gonna end this video and buy a hacked Wildcraft account. Out.